Hello, I am Dragoș, and in this video we are going to take a look at some self-hosted applications that can be hosted directly on Cloudflare Workers. Most of them can be hosted in the free tier, but if you want more usage, you can take the $5 plan, and you don't need a VPS, you don't need Docker, you only need Cloudflare Workers, and these applications are working with Cloudflare Workers out of the box. They were specially created for Cloudflare Workers. So we are gonna check these applications. In here you are gonna see like email clients, note-taking apps, password managers, link shorteners, and other applications that can be hosted on Cloudflare Workers. I already written a detailed article with all the tools that I couldn't find online and can be hosted on the Cloudflare Workers. I already am using a few like email and link shortening, and we're gonna check them. So yeah, this is the article, and now we're gonna start and check the most interesting ones. This article has more than 28 of them, but we're gonna check in this article the ones that I find most interesting in here. So the first one, it's the one that it's built by Cloudflare directly. Basically, this is the Agentic inbox. So basically, this is an email service that can be installed on Cloudflare Workers, and you can send emails, you can receive emails. You see in here that it has quite a nice interface. You can interact with it with AI agents. I didn't install this because I found something else that I like more, and you see that this wasn't updated since 4 months ago. But yeah, I mean, this is one option and you can go and check it. So the one that I'm using is called HQBase. This is also quite new. You see that right now it's in 1.2 version. It was just updated yesterday. It has about 271 stars. So yeah, it's quite new and it can be deployed. I already deployed it, and in here we can see the details. So basically this is the interface. It already changed since the last video that I did for this. You can check my video, and in here you see that you have the options to see the send emails. You can open them, you can add as many emails account as you like in here, and it will just go and work on the Cloudflare Workers. In here you have the settings. You can link this with an AI agent, and here you can add your own mailbox. You see in here from the domain. It's easy and fast to add everything. In here you have the domains, notifications that you can enable. You have the NCP details for AI agents. And yeah, I mean, this is the interface of this. And if you hit, for instance, new email, in here you will be able to start sending emails. Another interesting email solution, I'm not installed it yet, but I found it interesting because I like the UI. This is the UI. I don't find a demo for this, but what I like in here is the fact that yeah, basically this looks like a chat, and the other thing is it has template and sequences. So basically you can use templates for email and sequences to send emails. It's pretty interesting. So basically this is more like a complete solution with marketing and notifications, which is interesting. And again, this it's like updated constantly from what I am seeing, and it has about 241 stars right now. Okay, let's move next, and in here EdgeEver, this is an Evernote alternative that it is very interesting. So basically this is a note-taking application that again can be installed on the Cloudflare Workers, and in here we have their website, and they have a demo with the interface. I didn't have the chance to test this yet or use it, but I like the design of the website. And if we're gonna check their demo, you're gonna see in here that again this interface is quite nice, and it has like a client that you can use for Mac, iOS, Android. From what I see in here, Windows, it will come soon from the details. And yeah, this is the interface, and let's see. In here you see that you have the preview for the markdown, and you can add easily a new note in here like this. So yeah, it has also some AI assistant that you can use. Again, I didn't use this, but yeah, I mean, you can go to their demo and check it and see if it is for you. Okay, let's move to the next one. Inkstone. Again, this is a note-taking application, self-hosted. This is created by the one that created like the password manager that we're gonna see next in here. And yeah, Inkstone, it's like this, and we have the demos in here. And again, this has like a pleasant interface in here. You see that it has the view options in here. You can backlink, you can download this. So yeah, in here it has the tables with everything. You have the markdown with preview in here. Let's see how we can add a note in here easily. Collections, create a folder. Okay. Labels. Yeah, I mean, this is just the demo. I was just curious to see how this is looking, but I mean, it's looking pretty nice. Again, this is the demo. Create a folder fails. Probably it is blocked by the owner to not create a lot of folders in here. But in here you see that you have all of these options to add images, links, headers and things like that. And you have this nice preview. And yeah, you can go and check it and see how it does. Again, 337 stars. It is updated and it has only a couple of releases, so it's quite new. Interesting thing. So next one, it's NodeWarden. So basically this is a Bitwarden alternative that can be self-hosted on the Cloudflare Workers. So you can host your passwords, card details and everything on Cloudflare. I don't tell you that this is a good thing, but even if you're storing this on a VPS server, someone will still have access to your informations. But yeah, I mean, this is quite interesting to see, and it has also a demo in here that we can check. So basically this is the interface in here, and in here you see that you have all of these items. In here you have the vault, and in the vault you have the login type, you have the options to add a card, bank account, identity, driver license, passport. You can add a note, a SSH key. You can create folders in here. So yeah, I mean, this is pretty nuts. It has all the details. You can do a cloud backup in here. Okay. Tools, version control. And I think this one already has like extensions that you can use, because it will automatically link with the Vault-Warden extension and so on. So you can use that. In the unit panel, you see in here that you have the options for the users, device manager, domain rules. Yeah, I mean, this is quite an interesting option in here. Let's see. And yeah, NodeWarden, this is the name, and this has a lot of stars. It has like 3,400 stars. And yeah, I mean, this is a lot from my point of view for something that yeah, it's hosted on Cloudflare Workers. And again, to deploy all these things, you just need to use their documentation. Some of them has directly a deploy to Cloudflare button, others doesn't, but you can install like an AI agent and help you install everything in there. It will help you set up like Cloudflare Workers. Like this, I did it. I used an AI agent with Codex or any other P. Open code, cloud code, whatever you want in here. And right now we are gonna check the first one that I've discovered, and this one I discovered last year when it was like in the beginning, so it's pretty old, and I think it has the most stars, so 7K stars. And basically this is a link shortener that it's only hosted on Cloudflare Workers. I did a video in the past with this. It has about 1 year, I think, or I don't know, 7 or 8 months. And I mean, the video it's in here, but it's not updated. But this is a pretty cool link shortener alternative that it's working in here directly with Cloudflare Workers, and it has like AI skills, it has an MCP. So AI agent can work with this. And yeah, I mean, in here, I have the old video with this. Probably I will gonna refresh this. So you see that 1 year ago, I have created a tutorial of how you can install this. And basically this is the interface. In here, you see that the interface is very, very nice. I like it a lot. And you have like links in here that you can add. We're gonna check them. You have the analytics in here, and it is offering you all the details. In here you see that you have the location, countries, regions. You have the language, time zone, the one who referred this, the device, and you should have also the links in here with the details, weekly trends, real time in here, check, and important export things. And in the links in here, for instance, you will see that you have the number of clicks in here, and you can go and see the details. So if you are clicking a link, you will have also analytics for that link with the details. So yeah, I mean, it wasn't like this in the beginning. Right now it's pretty evolved. You have QR codes, expirations, things. Let's see, create a link in here, and you see that you have the link settings. You can put passwords if you want, expiration, cloaking, geo redirect. So basically this has everything, and it can be hosted with only $5 a month. And you can not only host this, you can host multiple of these applications with the $5 plan. That is the thing that I like the most of this, because yeah, you with an AI agent and you just tell it to help you set this up, you have everything set up. And basically it will use the Cloudflare Worker infrastructure, which is pretty reliable. It had some problems lately, but yeah, everything has problems. And the last one, I just found about it on Twitter. It's an analytics that is hosted on Cloudflare Workers. I haven't installed it yet. I mean, in here you don't have a lot of details, and I think the owner should put more focus in creating a demo for this, in adding a video in here. Because for instance, if you're gonna check his Twitter account, you see in here that it created a video with how this tool is looking, and you see that it's pretty beautiful and it has all the details. But of course, for an analytics tool, you need to be also precise to not count the bot traffic and everything like that. I don't know if this tool is doing an accurate option. I'm using Plausible right now to do analytics for my website. So yeah, I mean, you can go and check my article in here, and if we're going to check the article in here, you will have 28 tools. In case you know about a tool that it's nice and can be added in here, just let me know and I will add it. This article, it was written with AI. This video is not created with AI, but yeah, I'm using AI to help me. He found out all of this repos for me. He was the one that checked to see this, and he created this article. So if you have something against that, don't watch and don't visit my blog. Yeah, and yeah, in here I put it out the list. It's ordered by the number of stars, so you see that the most interesting one is the S-Ink Agentic inbox from Cloudflare, NodeWarden. This is some sort of sync. EdgeEver, this is Notes, AI, memory. So yeah, I mean, check my article in case you want to see all the details. And another thing that you can check on this blog, it's a new section. I've added some news in here, and basically every morning my AI agent, it will go and scan for the latest news in tech, DevOps, AI, and it will post them in here. So you can bookmark this page with news, and every day you will have access to the trending repos that my AI is finding. And I mean, this can be used by anyone. This is the Hacker News trading news. This is something that I put my AI to do, and I thought that it will be very useful for others also to check the latest news. And like this, I am like updated with all the things that are happening, because a lot of things are happening right now in AI. So in case you like what you have seen, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And in case you have a tool that it's working with Cloudflare Workers, please drop a comment so I can review it and add it in this article. Thanks for watching.